Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your JBL Club Pro Plus to the iPhone device. So in order to do this, let's open the Bluetooth on our iPhone first and enter Bluetooth settings. Here make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. Open the case with your headphones. You can take them out and here we'll just need to wait till this device is available right here. Here they are, so click on them and that way you'll pair these earbuds with your iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.